Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend so far. And we have made it to day number 112 of this My Legion Secrets, and it is August the 9th of 2025. All right. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, if you're new to this video, new to this challenge, what we are doing is we are shooting a 1 year, 365-day challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, where we get one offer that we get from ClickBank, okay, and then also we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year of doing so. All right. So if you guys want to get up to speed, please go back and watch some of these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we are right now. All right. And we started from day number one. All right. So let's go ahead and hop straight into this video. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, let me tell you what it is. It's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, and your back office is going to look exactly like this. Every day you come to this office, okay, you're going to see this right here, okay? So the only thing difference between my account and your account is the emails that you send out versus the ones I send out, okay? Obviously, we're all sending out emails, all at different times. So yours may look a little different from mine, but everything else is going to be the same. You're going to have these tabs come across. You're going to have this banner right here and all that good stuff. So everything is going to look the same, right? So basically, where you guys are going to be hanging out at, right, is the mailing system. This is where you go and you send out emails in the system every single day. Okay. And just a little bit about myself. I've been doing this. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. All right. But this traffic is cold traffic. All right. So it takes a little bit of time for these people to kind of find out who you are, begin to trust you, see your name, see your face or whatever. And then they start purchasing from you. All right. So that's just a little bit about myself. I've been in this internet marketing space over a century now, okay, which kind of tells you my age, but I've been doing this for a long time, guys. As far as internet marketing, I've promoted lots of different programs, and that's actually what I do is I promote and I work with different programs and I do different stuff online to earn income, okay? So this is just one of the things that I do. This is probably the least money making program that I do that I'm doing online is this method. But I know that it does work and it is, a viable income source if done correctly. Okay. So you can get this thing, you can work it part time, full time, you know. Basically, if you work it like a job, it's going to pay you like a job. If you come in here and you stay committed and you send out emails every single day, eventually you will start to build your accounts up and you will get to another level. Okay. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Okay. So the My Legion Secret program looks like this. Pretty much what we do when we come in here is we copy and paste emails. Okay. Over from a different source. We come over here and paste them into the My Legion Secret platform and we click send, right? It's just that easy, guys. And I'm been telling you guys this for, for the days that we've been shooting these videos. Okay. So pretty much you would go to the mailing system. And let me show you how easy it is. You click on the mailing system. You come down here. You click on select all. It's going to load up the emails for you so we can send out an email. Okay. And then right here where it says subject line, we're going to put in the subject line and then we're also going to put a body of text. All right. Now, the offer we are using from ClickBank is an offer called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. It's one of the top performing, business opportunity offers on ClickBank. But they do have other offers that do work and they do convert as well. And I've promoted those different offers on this channel. If you go back and watch these previous videos, you'll kind of see that we've made money from different offers. Okay. It's not just this offer. This offer just by happens to be, an offer I like doing because it has a rebill of $20 every single month that we earn. Okay. So we do the work one time, we set it up, we get somebody to sign up for a free trial. Okay. We don't get paid off the free trial, but in 3 days, the prospect gets billed for the program of $28 and we get to keep 85% of the commission and we get $20 from it. Okay. So that $20 can add up. And what happens is that person signs up and they sign up for a residual billing. So basically, they sign up for the program, they start working, and then they get billed $28 every single month, and we get to keep 85% of the proceeds. Okay, which is $20. Okay, of that, which is awesome. All right. And the whole idea here, guys, with this method is to get multiple people signing up for the free trial, them getting billed in 3 days, okay, and then them getting billed every single month and on over and over and over and over again, okay. What we want is to get multiple people signing up and getting billed for the program every single month, okay. So that's why we're promoting this offer, all right. Now this offer does have free email swipes that you can use, so you would just come down here and click on the email swipes, okay, and then okay, we'll let that load up there. Okay, my internet, if you guys been watching these videos, my internet's just been a little slow lately, okay? So, let's see here. It's just loading up for me. So we'll let that load up. But what's going to happen is we're going to I'm just showing you the offer. That way, you can see the email swipes that we use. And then once we send out all of those email swipes in the system, what ends up happening is that those emails get stored in this right here. Okay, this box. Okay, so what you could do after you send out all 20 emails, look like it's still loading up. What you do is whenever you send out all 20 emails, those 20 emails get stored into here, and then all you got to do is go down and you pick the first email and you click load, right? And that's how you do it, okay? And I've promoted those same emails over and over and over again, and they do work, okay? And they do convert, and they do make money, okay? And what you would do, you would load that up, and you click on perfect timing, and you come down here and you click on send. Now, I've already sent out my emails for today. You can send out one email every 24 hours, which is pretty cool. So you can send out one email every 24 hours, and you can come back in the next day after 24 hours and send out another email, which is pretty awesome. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like, sending out this email. Okay. Now, if you come down here, I'm just showing you the email swipes. Now my internet's coming back on now. So if you come down here, you send out 1 through 20, okay? And then you would just pretty much, if you're new to this video, like say you just grab the subject line, okay? And then you control C, you're gonna grab this text right here, and then you're gonna come back over here to the mailing system, and you're gonna just paste everything in, right? Right now, I just showed you how to load one that you've already had in there. But once you send out emails, they're all going to be stored in here after you send them out. So that way you don't have to go back and do anything. You can just, send out whatever emails is in there. So you kind of get the drift, and you click on send. You click perfect time and make sure you click on that and then click send. And then that email goes out to however many people that you got on your list. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to get with the platform, and for you to start, sending out emails every single day. And if you do it every single day, like I said, eventually you're going to start to, earn income and see progress in what you're doing. Now, I have 8 different accounts, okay, that I use personally. I come in every day. I send out emails every single day. Okay, I don't miss days when it comes to sending emails. All right, I've been doing this for the last 3 years. Okay, and I can tell you, it does work and it is tedious. Okay. And you're going to have to get to a point where, you'll do whatever it takes if you know that you're going to make money with this. Okay. And that's the only reason why I stayed with this program, is because I knew there was a light at the end of the tunnel. I knew if there was other people out there making 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, even $5,000 sending out emails. Okay. And I knew watching them do it, if they can do it, I could do it. And that's what made me want to do this method. Okay. I was doing I do paid marketing. I do other stuff online, but this offer I just found intriguing because it's super easy to do. And the traffic you can build, and I can send out whatever, offer to this traffic as long as it's a business opportunity and it's talking about making money, because these people on this list, they care about making money. Okay. So if you, come to them with a health and fitness, offer or something like that, they're going to be, they're not going to be interested in what you're doing. Okay. It has to be making money online, teaching someone how to make money. Okay. So that's the cool thing about this traffic. So you kind of know that it is targeted traffic with business opportunity offers. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's the My Legion secrets. And if you guys want to get started with My Legion secrets, I did leave a link below this video. So if you go here and you click on this MLGS True Freedom, click on that. It'll take you over to the My Legion secret system. You come down here and you click on join, right? And that's how you do it, right? Go ahead and join. Let me know once you join. I got some emails that no one else is using, and that I'll send you guys if you need some extra emails to help you get started and hit the ground running. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to, and you can grab these offers. They're free. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything to get started, and ClickBank is free to get started as well. So this is why we're using ClickBank. Now you don't actually have to use ClickBank. You can lose Warrior Plus. You can use JV Zoo, Max Bounty. JV, not JV Zoo, but Blue Media Ventures. Okay, which is another platform that I have. But I have multiple platforms that I use different offers for. Okay, so you guys can use different platforms. It doesn't have to just be ClickBank. ClickBank I'm using because it's free, and it is only takes about under 5 minutes to get your account going. All right, so let's go ahead and head over here to ClickBank and let's check out today. Today is the 9th. As you can see, just the algorithm has been looking like either every other day or every 2 days that we get a sale. Okay, and then sometimes it's back to back. And the algorithm has been changing right now. For the last couple of weeks, it's been looking like this. But eventually, what's going to happen is these sales are going to start coming in every single day. And that is our goal, is to get this to bridge this gap here, these gaps. Okay. There's going to be gaps starting out whenever you're doing this method. There's going to be gaps. So just be ready for it. Okay. You're not going to make a sale every single day. Okay. It's going to be something that you're going to have to work with, and you're going to have to get through. Okay. Now, during your first few months, it's going to probably look like this. Okay, maybe get one here first, your first month, one here, one over here, or something like that. And then eventually, as you start sending emails out every single day, your sales will get closer and closer. And what's happening, these are getting closer and closer. Okay, and eventually, we're going to see sales every single day. All right, but let's look at today. We did earn some money today, so let's go and go to the reporting tab. All right, and today's the 9th. Let's go ahead and check out the traffic. Today, we did get over 820 hops, and usually on the weekends, this is just a little slow sometimes. And then we got 785 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. We got one order form impression. This is someone that, went to the checkout page. They're ready to buy. Okay. And for some reason they buy, or for some reason they don't buy. Okay. And today, that person did not purchase the program. Okay. They didn't sign up for the free trial. Now, we did get a free trial sale yesterday, okay, but we didn't get one today, okay, for some reason. So I wouldn't worry about it. Like I said, we're still new, in this challenge. Okay, we're only in month 4. Okay, as we get closer to the halfway mark, you'll start seeing a different a change. Okay, in the traffic and what you're doing. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a bird's eye view on what's possible for you if you got started and you put in the work every single day and you got up to this point. These are your results are going to look similar to this. And the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because I want to show you what's possible for you, okay? Not what's possible for me, okay? I've already done this already, okay? I've already completed, numerous of days sending out emails, okay? So I know exactly what's going to happen. That's why I can come here and I can tell you what's going to happen, okay? So eventually these sales will grow. And what we're going to do, we're going to start heading into is we're going to start heading into specific squeeze pages and landing pages, bridge pages, okay, that we're going to start incorporating in our emails. All right. Um, so and we'll learn about that stuff later, okay? But we didn't get any sales today, and then we got a rebuild today. Now, this rebuild came from a sale that we got a few days ago, okay? Not sure if you guys been following along these videos. Like I said, go back and find these videos, because when we make initial sales, we don't get paid that day, but we get 3 days later. So this sale came from an email that we sent out a few days ago. That we got a sale from, okay, that sale is finally, the person got billed for the program, which is right there. Okay. Now we got a sale yesterday, and that sale will come, say, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It may come sometime Monday or Tuesday on that sale. Okay. And then if we make any other sales tomorrow or the next day, those will come on Tuesday. Okay, so we'll have some rebills coming in and everything like that. Or if we got any rebills from any previous months, okay, that customers have stayed with the program, okay, that's what I'll be looking for tomorrow. So just wanted to show you guys the results from today and show you the traffic, show you how we did. We did earn some money today, which is really good, okay. But we'll be looking tomorrow for some kind of initial sale or a rebill. Okay. Every day you want to stay hopeful for something popping in for you. But if not, don't get discouraged and don't worry, because sometimes this can take you, a few weeks, a few months, 6 months. It could take you, even longer than that. Just depends. How motivated are you to stay with this program if you know it's going to pay out some good money, right? So that's why I'm staying with it, just to show you guys during this challenge. You'll see by the end of this 365, you're going to see a difference, okay, from when we first started. So I just wanted to end this video on that note. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow on Sunday, and I'm going to meet. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, we're just going to, rehearse, send out emails, and we're going to talk about results. Okay, I've already